Alright, so we're looking at a linear equation here. And if you read the question here, it says, a pig farmer observes the amount of water his pigs drink throughout the day. The farmer observes that the amount of water the pigs drink is a linear function of the temperature on a given day. So the farmer observes that on a day that reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit, the pigs drink about 320 gallons of water. On a cooler day, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, the pigs drink about 200 gallons of water. So write a linear function to model the relationship between the gallons of the water consumed and the temperature. So if we look at this right away, get my pen here. If we look at this, we know that this is going to be a linear equation, which if we look here, we're going to have y equals mx plus b. If you don't know why you're getting this linear equation, you'll have to watch another video here. This is assuming that you already know this, okay? So now looking at this, we can kind of set this up quickly and we can say, what is our x and what is our y? So in this case, we have 100 degrees and we have 70 degrees, or x, and we have 320 gallons, and we have 200 gallons. Maybe I should write that out. Gallons, and this is our degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so looking at that, what we're going to look at first is we're going to try to find the slope. Okay, so we look at the slope. Slope is basically, okay, the change in y over the change in x. In this case, the change is going to be, in y is going to be 320 minus 200. So the change is from 320 minus 200 over the change in x, which is 170. 100 minus 70. And that happens to equal, we got 120, so I got to squeeze it in here, 120 and 30. Okay, 30 times 4 equals 120. So we got 4. So m is 4 in this case. So now let's go over here and write this, see if I don't run out of room here. We have 320. That is our y. So I'm taking my y equals 4 is my m, because I just established that. There's my m, times, what's my x? Okay, my x is 100 in this case because it corresponds to 320. There's my x, 100, plus b. B is our unknown there, so our y-intercept. So looking for our y-intercept, we're going to take this right here equals 400. So let's see if I can squeeze that in there, 400 plus b. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 400 from this side and subtract 400 from this side. That gives me a negative number, right? So what we have on this side is negative 80 equals b. See how those cancel out? There's b. Here's my negative 400, okay, plus 320. I have negative 80. So b equals negative 80. So now I can write my equation here. I can say that my linear equation is y equals 4x, that's my slope, right? Okay, minus 80. And that's my linear equation.